Hey guys, Ellie Smith back here, and we are ready to rock and roll with my committee. I don't bark. She's my puppy. My puppy. My puppy. Ready to play some toys. She loves this. She really does love this. It's her favourite toy. Because it stretches and she likes playing tag or war. But some of you've been viewing on my videos, but just comment if you don't like them so I can just improve them in the future. Because I'm only about 12-ish. But yeah, this is my third or fourth video I've made. So I'm quite a newbie at YouTubing. But I've uploaded my art video. So you might see the up and rolling, but since it's about 10 minutes, it'll take about a day or an hour to upload. So I'm just waiting for it to upload. So yeah, I'm going to give you a tour of the house. We're going to go, TT. Gonna go, TT. Gonna go, come on. TT's walking, I'm going to follow her. It's really dark in this room. My mum's room. Very dark. Boring. This is the bathroom. Wait, turn on light. The lights are really annoying in this house. TT, what's this? Well, come on, light. Come. Come on, light. Work, light. God will give us light in 3 minutes. Yay, light. It's actually better to see in here. Yeah, I got a nice bath run for me. Nice bubbly, nice warm bath. It's going to be really nice when we jump in. Yeah. Go downstairs. Got living room. I've got to turn on the kitchen light. This is my kitchen. Nice kitchen. Got to do washing up in a minute. Yeah, this is my kitchen. Back door. Perfect fridge. Memories. Lots of memories. So yeah. Got my bag down there. Yeah, just got all this cupboard. I'll take the cupboard. Nothing really in this cupboard. Popcorn. Here's all my house. It's pretty small. I've got my little doggy over there. Yeah. Yes. I can't see you properly. Have you got you. Yeah. Hey, come up, T. Come, T. Trying to get my dog upstairs. It's actually really hard, but she loves toys and she don't want to be away from them. TT, what's this? Where's your favourite toy? Where'd you put it? Oh, it's on the floor. So we're going to go back in my room. Yeah, it's nice and bright in my room. Yay. So, don't growl. Please don't growl. So, I hope you like and subscribe to this video. My first vlog in my house. And comment below as well. Do you like my doggy? She's about 1 year old. She was born on Halloween and her name's Tia. So we'll be going now. So Tia, say bye bye. Bye bye.